Hello, mic testing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is 3rd February 2016, Tuesday, and I'm right now that's back testing 5th February 2015 or 25 2025 lol. So right now I'm going to enter a trade. It's a continuation model, and I'm entering on a week breaking market structure 5 minute plus the proportion block, and this red gap is previous day 15-minute fair value, first presented fair value. Okay. The 9:30 opening, at the 9:30 opening when we went lower, we took um relative equal low. I would like even more the price action. If I would be more confident if we would have went lower, took these lows first, touched this uh, upper half no, not what upper half, upper body, and then start going up. But yeah, we didn't do that, and I'm going to enter on this fair value gap first. And this is the weekly opening gap, old weekly opening gap, and this is the premium daily wick, or it's a wick or a gap. After the trade, I will explain all the period areas of the higher time frame, where we are, why I'm looking for longs, and okay, this is the premium wick. So the rule is same. I want all premium PD arrays to work as discount. So it's a bit risky trade. Why? Because there is no per quarter here. It's not a plus setup. One thing that can happen here, I don't want to see price respected it here and then breaking lower. If we break lower, then we might see going lower or tracing lower. I don't want to see that. I want all premium BD arrays to be respected to the upside. Is there an SMT? And from now on, I'm going to also going to look at 15-minute for NSMT. What time is it? 9:30, and let's go 9:31 ES2. It's 9:30, and we took first, not second. There's no bullish SMT here on 15-minute. No bullish SMT. Both asset took their previous week candle. So yeah, I'm going to take this trade. Let's see how it pans out. Okay, we touch the lower quarter. Went lower. If we break again up, I will enter on this. We might. I don't want to see price going lower. I'm going to enter on this big CE, and the stop loss will be a bit up. Let's see. Okay, we entered. I'm in the trade. So okay. We want 1 hour candle to close to the upside if we are bullish. Let's see the price action. I will be confident with the trade. I will be. What I want to see right now is the breaking market structure, the upside, and breaking this low cutter to the upside. Okay. Right now, I want to see that. We touch again the lower quarter. Okay. Is the macro is the macro is in play right now. Okay. We went above, respected it. Okay. Respecting the. My mouse is not working that way. Okay. I don't want price to trade into this. This is the first presented fair value gap on 1 minute, and this can also be called. This is more likely to be called a first presented fair value gap of 1 minute. Not a good sign. Breaking market structure after breaking, respecting the lower quarter of the weekly opening gap, first presented fair value gap. If we break this market structure, I will be looking for longs. If we respect this to the lower side, I don't want to see that, but right now that's more probable. Okay, nice. That's a bullish sign. Let's see if there's any. Okay, on 9:45 we took the previous candle. Okay, but on US tech we haven't. So it's a bullish SMT2. Yeah, Let's see. Confident. I want this to be respected and use this uppercut to the upside. Okay, nice. Now I'm very confident. I will set the stop loss to break even. Why? We took the recent high, and these are now first presented fair value plus this gap. So if we are going to go upside, we don't want to see price going lower again, but it can. So that's why what we can do to prevent this thing is to set the stop loss to the break even, because market can go anyway at any time. It can break the rules. So we will. That's why these risk management. That's why there are rules. Okay, and oh, there was news. Hell no. Shit. The second I saw this candle, big candle, it's like, was there any news? And the second I remember there was news 10 a.m. So yeah, I just forgot about the news. I think that we went, it was a break-even trade, and luckily, and it was my mistake for not remembering. Okay, see 1 hour. We are in premium. We are in premium. We took the 18-hour on, and okay, there's an SMT, bearish SMT. ES has taken this high, but Nasdaq hasn't. So it's a bearish sign, and I'm going to look for reason to go low. And we are in premium plus. We respect to the lower quarter of the daily, week plus lower quarter of the premium weekly opening gap. What I want to see is my mouse. It's irritating me. Okay, let's highlight the news too. Okay. There's so much drawings. I highlighted all the old first presented gaps. Okay, I want now a retracement here, and then a breaking market structure. That's what I want to see to enter. I can't enter like chasing the move without any entry. So now right now I'm very confident with short, but the thing is the bias is not the 100% of the trade. So I want to entry mode right now. Okay, we'll trace this up. Okay, and to this is there no the gap isn't formed yet. That's not a good sign. It's a sign of not a smooth price action. Okay, we break lower above Ajib. Yeah, that's not a good sign. I'm going to wait for a 5-minute first presented fair value. Then I will look for an entry. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not racing into upper quarter, smooth highs taken, good sign, or I will look for a proportional block. Okay, nice. I don't want to see filling this gap. I like how it went above and closed below. I don't want nice. Nice. I will wait for a 5-minute first presented fair value at least. At least what I want to see is a 5-minute first presented fair value. Okay. No gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no trade. No gap, no trade. No gap, no trade. No gap, no trade. Wow, what a chaos day. And above, I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is the 4 hour that high of that SMT. Yeah. No gap, no trade. That's a rule. Now we created the gap. We respected the upper half, and I want if we're low, I want to want price to create a gap here, then respect this lower quarter, and yeah, then I'll be shorting, take a short. So let's see, is there any 15-minute? What time is there? It's 11:15. So well 11:15 पर चलते हैं. Let's go to 11:15. Oh my, I just did shoulders today, and I don't know why, but I'm feeling stiffness on my forearms too. It's a bit irritating with this mouse and with that stiffness on my wrist and all my forearms. We on 15, yes, no SMT on 15-minute, and is there SMT 18. Okay, there's no SMT. A trade without an SMT. ah इसकी कसर थी. Oh, hmm. I'm going to look for a trade. Hmm. Okay. I want the price to make a FBA. Yes, very powerful gap with the break in market structure. I'm now very confident with this trade and uh, will be very comfortably risking because that's my model, and I don't care what the result will be, but this is the model what I trade, and I will be trading my plan and my model, and that would be a win for me. 5 minute first very simple fair value gap, and it's the gap color blue. First presented 5 minute will be in blue. Okay. Hmm. Wow. No SMT. Respecting the lower half to the upside. Taking these lows. Hmm. I'm going to take a long here. It's a continuation model, and it's about take a. I'm going to risk this, and target will be two 2 RR. Let's see. Oh, hmm. Oh, now it's ah. Didn't get the entry. Breaker है. Hmm. I'm looking to enter, and I should have. Hmm. That's it. Oh, I didn't get the entry. It is what it is, and a very smooth price action, but a confusing day before. And I was looking for a short here. If I had get a breaking market structure to the downside, and I would have entered a short, and that would be a logical trade. And I know the price would have gone to these lows, but yeah, we didn't break the lower. That what means was that we are not going lower, and we went higher very quickly, and this was the sign for me go upside. Yeah, I didn't get the entry, but yeah, as you can, it was a very low resistance liquidity run. We didn't even trace into this gap, and yeah, there was opportunity here too, but I didn't enter because it was out of the New York session, and was already in a move, and yeah, but that would be a logical trade too, but I didn't take it, and though I don't have any regrets, it is what it is. I did the right thing, and I just missed the entry, and here I read it, I didn't know about the news, and I entered this trade. Luckily I placed a stop loss, luckily not by following my rules. If I hadn't followed my rules, I would have been in loss today, but luckily I placed a stop loss to the not luckily, but I'm glad that I followed my rules and placed the stop loss to the break even, and went lower, and we respected the, and then we start this pricing wasn't good, and then we break the lower side, created the first presented 5 minute gap, and didn't respect it to the downside, and create a big candle, breaking it, not even retracing a not even a 1 minute candle traces into this 5 minute fair value, first representative fair value gap, and after that we went higher by not even giving an entry on 5 minute, not even on a kind of giving on 1 minute, but a very tight entry, but by just giving one entry at a time, and not getting an retracement and just going to the target. And yep, that was the day for today. And now I will set the I will record the highlighted period is all these lines, what are these, and post on the journal, as well as record it and will post in the backtest. The reason behind removing this trade is that was not my model trade, and I just took it accidentally because I didn't know about the news, and it yeah, I just forgot about the news. So yeah, that's why I removed that trade, because if I knew about the news, I would have waited for the news to be released and then look for a trade.